Hi.
Hi.
Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm asking you.
I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna ask you second.
Okay.
Wait, what can I help you with?
I don't know your name or what you do, so I need to know that first.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
For what reason?
Just gathering content
For?
for a story.
For?
Just for a story. Okay, I'm just gonna keep walking then. If you're not
I'm
gonna
gonna
help.
actually call the police then. I'll have
Okay.
them escort you up here while you
Okay.
walk around.
That's fine.
Let me hit my button.
Reeks like cigarettes in here, by the way.
Some
Okay.
people like to smoke.
Okay.